Hello students, now it's time to check the pH of certain chemicals we are having with us. I have just collected 9 uh, acids, and I mean amongst these 9 chemicals there are acids and bases. They are together, but uh, we are going to check the pH of these chemicals. I have marked these as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are the chemicals. And now uh, I have also, though I have marked them because they have to be verified once again that whether these were actual readings or not. And I have with me these little strips of universal pH indicator paper. Actually, they are just paper slips having chemical universal pH indicator, which is going to give color according to this scale. I have these two strips on which there are different colors indicating the pH of the solution under test. So let's start our test. I'll be putting these chemicals over these slips one by one. Number 1 on the number 1, and then after completing all 9 we will be checking the variation in color. From that we will be comparing the pH value, and let's see what is the proper reading. So let's see, this is number 1, number 2, number 3, four, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. It's very mild, not so concentrated. So we have our colors. Let's check. This shows it is very close to 8. Though it is a base, it's not so strong. And this is an acid close to 1, and this is 3, about 3, 5 and 6, and then this is close to 12 and 10. This is also close to 10, and this I think is close to 8, maybe 7. So these red colored strips shows that these chemicals are acids, and 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, these chemicals are bases. So the number 1 was ammonium hydroxide, NH4OH, and its color shows that it is a weak base. and then we have number 2 HCl, number 3 H2SO4 sulfuric acid, number 4 is nitric acid HNO3, and fifth one is acetic acid CH3COOH. This is also a weak acid. This is actually organic acid. They are not so strength wise so much strong. They are not so strong because they are not easily leaving their H positive ion. And then at number 6 we have sodium hydroxide, and its color shows that it is very strong. And then again we have base magnesium hydroxide. Actually, magnesium hydroxide, I made it by burning magnesium ribbon and then dissolving that those ashes into water, and it shows it is a strong. And then another one, eighth number is potassium hydroxide KOH. It is also strong base. And then at ninth place we have calcium hydroxide, not so strong. This is how the strength of an acid or a base is generally observed or compared using universal indicator. And the pH scale is from 1 to 14, and in between 1 to 14 there is a place for neutral substance. Generally water is found there. The pH value of water is there 7, and under 7 acids are there, and above 7 bases are there.